Alright, let's add the Pearce Grip Extension to the Glock 26 10-round factory magazine. As you can see, I did it with this one, and I kind of scratched this up because I didn't have this tool, and it makes it a lot easier to use this tool. You could get this for $5 to $10, and without it you could use a punch or something, but again, with this, it's much easier, so I'm going to demonstrate with this tool. So basically, you just wrap this up with a cloth or fabric or something to avoid scratching it. You don't have to do this, but there's these two little tabs here that aren't so simple to press in with your hand. So I found the easiest way to do it is just wrap something here to avoid scratching it. Hold it nice and tight towards the center. While squeezing it, you grab this tool. You press down into the little notch right here. Just like a can opener. You can see it's starting to open up. And just gently pull it till it comes out, but don't yank it all the way out so the spring doesn't pop out. And once you get past that point, it becomes much easier. And to be honest, the factory ones are not that simple. You got to give it a little bit of a push, and this one didn't get scratched. And you just yank this off, and there's a plate here, and as you can see under the plate is the spring, and the spring is attached to the follower. And you just put that back in, you squeeze it down, you hold it down with the front. I mean, you'll see the shape here. There's only one way to get it in. And then you grab your extension, and this is the Pearce XL version. Get your Pearce grip. While pushing this down with your thumb, slide this in, and once it's far enough, you could let go of your thumb. You just press it until you hear a click, and that thing pops out of there, and it's nice and tight now. There's a smaller version which I've put onto these see-through aftermarket ETS magazines for Glock 26, which they're pretty good, to be honest. So these are the regular size, and these are the XLs. XL, regular size, and these are the old plates. These are the ETS ones versus the Glock ones. I'll show you guys how it looks in the Glock. This is a Glock 26. It's been checked, it's empty, and you can see the factory magazine without an extension. It gives my pinky nothing to hold on to. The regular size gives my pinky a much better grip, but still a little bit hangs off. And then the XL version, which is my favorite, that has the texture, gives my hand a nice firm grip. So these are about $10. Stock, regular size, extended with texture. Again, makes it a much better grip.